Hey guys, today we're taking a look at a vacuum cleaner, but this is for a mattress and for furniture and things like that. This was sent to me from Jimmy. It's the Jimmy BX7 Pro Max anti-mites vacuum cleaner. We're going to get it opened up, see what we get, and then we're going to try it out, so stick around. To be perfectly honest with you, I didn't even know they made anything like this. Have a little filter here. I don't know if that's an extra or the main one, but we're going to find out. Some paper here. Oh, a little cleaning brush. Oh, okay. This will be for cleaning that roller out. By the way, from the video I watched a little bit ago, you can take that off. I'll see how that comes off here in a minute. And your user guide here. Wow, that's a nice size little vacuum cleaner. I didn't really realize it was that big. Now, it is corded. It's not cordless. That is a slight inconvenience, but I tell you what, I recently purchased a regular upright vacuum cleaner, and there is a huge difference between corded and cordless. So, meaning this is probably going to outperform a cordless by a long shot. Anyway, here we have it. Pretty nice looking device here. Oh, this is what I was talking about. You can take the roller out. You just unlock it here. Like that right there. Remove that. Then you can take this right out and clean that off. Got a little gear right here. Slides over that right there. That's kind of important to keep that clean. You know, that like a regular vacuum cleaner, hair and stuff will get wrapped around that. I thought that was really nice that you can take this off so easily. Push those back, just like that. Easy peasy. And that does have the ultraviolet. Goes right through here. Produces heat. It's supposed to kill dust mites. The heat, between the heat and the ultraviolet. Okay, let's see how to take the canister off. Push the button. Oh, you just push the little button right there. Hopefully you can see that. A little gold button right there. You just push that and it comes right off. It should, like most vacuum cleaners, just turn. Yep, just turns and unlocks. Oh, okay, so this filter is an extra filter because there's this one right here. That's nice. Take that off. This should just come right out. It's going to work a lot like basically like your cordless vacuum cleaners as far as all this goes. Oh, this pops off. There you go. Turn that, unlock that. Break it all down like this to get it all cleaned up. It's really nice. You can use this little brush here to just dust all this stuff off. You can wash it underwater. If you wash your filter underwater, make sure it's good and dry before you put it back in your vacuum cleaner. That's the way that works. You just put it back together. Once you got it all cleaned up, little lock and unlock right there. Right here is the tab. Get those lined up like that, and then turn it. And there you go. You put your filter back on right there. I'd already set that on there. Anyway, that's all there is to that. Put this back in here. That'll sit right down in there like that. Put this back on here. Turn it, lock it in. The button's going to be up where you can reach it. Put that in there, just like that. All there is to that. So, easy peasy. Not a lot to it. You have your mode button here for your different modes. I'm going to plug it in right here, and then we're going to take a look real quick at the lights and stuff real fast, and then I'm going to try it out. I do have a recliner over here that kind of needs vacuumed off. Nice heavy-duty cord. I wonder how long this cord is. I'm going to measure that real quick. Let me go get my tape measure. Make just kind of a rough measurement here, nothing precise. As you can see, the cord is kind of twisted and everything. Pretty long cord, longer than what I thought it was. There's 16 foot, so it's pretty close to 16 and a half foot long. Okay, we'll hit the power. We have the ultraviolet light is on. It's right here. This blue bar is going to tell you if you've got dust or not. Hit the mode button. Oh, that's power button. Hit the mode button and it turns the ultraviolet off down here. Just has the roller brush going there. You hit it again and then you just have ultraviolet and just the vacuum. You can see down here the ultraviolet. Now it's off. Just cycle through your modes. There's a little closer look of your mode button, your power button, and your canister release button. Now it does put heat out too. I can feel that. All right, let's go try it out. Now I don't have a dog or a cat or anything, but this is the closest I have to represent what a dog blanket or something would be. It's a really warm blanket. Definitely get this one done. That's a lot of suction power. All right, so this is the Jimmy BX7 Pro Max. And this is a mattress vacuum, not a floor vacuum. Most of us wash our sheets, but the mattress underneath never really gets touched. That's what this is made for. What makes this one different is it uses heat, strong suction, and a tapping all at the same time. So while I'm pushing it across the mattress, it's actually shaking loose dust that's buried down inside the fabric, not just what's on the surface. Now here in a minute, you're going to notice there's a red light. And what that red light means, it's still pulling stuff out. Blue means the area is clean. That's actually pretty helpful because otherwise you're just guessing that it's clean. Now this is corded, so there's no battery that's going to die halfway through the job. And you get full power the whole time. It's not meant to be lightweight, it's meant to be effective. If you've got pets, allergies, or just want your bed to actually feel clean and not just look clean, this is the kind of tool that makes sense. I'll be honest, I didn't expect to see this much coming out of a mattress that already looked clean. And it's just me that sleeps on it. But once you run something like this, you kind of realize why regular vacuum cleaners don't cut it for beds. I've used a regular vacuum cleaner on it and never really could tell that I pulled anything, but with this one, you can definitely tell that it is pulling stuff out of that mattress that I never saw. Okay, you want to see the results we have here? Look at that. Not a whole lot, but I don't have any pets or anything like that, and it's just me, but to me, that's kind of gross. This is what I've been laying around on, sleeping on. It definitely will find things that you might not have realized was there. Anyway, definitely a nice little vacuum cleaner. I'm going to have to vacuum up again right here. You just dump that out in your trash when you get done there. But yeah, guys, if you're looking for a nice little vacuum cleaner to vacuum off your bed, or your furniture, even a small rug, if you have a small rug by your front door or something like that, this would be great for that. If you just spill a little something in the floor and want to vacuum it real quick, you can just grab this and do it. And it's not recommended for like tile or hardwood floors. So as far as like your bed, little rugs, things like that, works great. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey guys, I have a playlist I'll put right here. Got some more vacuum cleaners in there and other home essentials that you might want to go check out. Might be something in there that you'd be interested in. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.